In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove background for free in Figma. First, open your design in Figma so you are looking at the canvas with the image you want to edit. You can work in any file, personal or team, as long as you have permission to run plugins. With your file open, right-click anywhere on the canvas to bring up the context menu. Hover over Plugins, then click Manage Plugins. In the search bar that appears, type remove.bg. This is the background removal plugin we'll use. When you see it in the list, click Run to launch it directly from the manager so you can get set up. The plugin window will open. If it's your first time using it, you will be prompted to create a free account and add your API key for automatic background removal. Go ahead and create that free account. Then paste your API key into the plugin when asked. This connects the plugin to the service so it can process your image. Keep your key private. You only need to enter it once here. Now, back on your canvas, select the image you want to edit. You should see a visible selection around it if nothing is selected. The plugin won't know which layer to process. If you like, duplicate the image first so you have a backup of the original on hand. With your image selected, right-click again, go to Plugins, and choose the Remove BG plugin from your list. The plugin window will open on the side or as a modal. Make sure the correct layer is still selected in the canvas. Inside the plugin, click Remove Background. The plugin will send the image for processing and automatically cut out the subject from the background. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your image size and connection. Once it finishes, you will see your image with a transparent background right in your file. Ready for use in mockups, presentations, or social posts. If the edges need a cleaner cut, try starting with a higher resolution photo or one with strong contrast between the subject and background. If the button is grayed out, confirm your layer is an image and not a frame or group. And if the plugin asks you to sign in again, just verify you are still using your free account and that your API key is saved. That's it. Thanks for watching.